Here's our status right now. As you can see, we're stuck in a hole.
Matt was on the side of the ditch. When it started going over, you know, I just looked at Matt. Matt looked at me. We didn't say anything. No cuss words, none of that. And we just knew what we were thinking, which is we got to get out because it was starting to tip over. And it had that feeling like it actually was gonna flip over. And there were about 10 of us in the back of this truck. So I jumped out my side under the road. Matt just like dove out, almost did like a 360, landed in the ditch. You know, he got jacked, and his hand got a little bit,
That's right.
you know, cut.
This is our driver.
Sort of. I was going along the road and all of a sudden everybody moved to the left side and we fell in the hole.
I don't think so. Oh, so let me see.
Just like demolition derby. Yeah!
Well, we're pulling the car out here, so it all looks like it'll be a happy ending, but kind of exciting way to end the day for sure.
We're all okay. We got a little bit roughed up, but actually I think it was a great experience.
It's good. It's part of Africa.
Yeah.